Hello. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Oh, there it is. If you're looking for basic Excel or Google Sheets tutorials, that's what I'm doing here. And it's basically geared for people who have no knowledge or very little knowledge and really want to get up to speed as fast as possible to do their job. Because let's be honest, you probably put Excel on your resume, but you might not know that much. This way, no one needs to know. I'm going to start from bare bones that you don't know anything. I'll walk you through where most things are and what most things do, because in reality, you probably won't need the full extent of a spreadsheet program. Some basic functionality, ways to manipulate data, to print data, things that you will use probably day to day to make your life way easier and to make you look way better to your boss. You'll probably learn a ton that you really didn't know you could do in Excel. A little bit about myself. I went to UCSB, got my accounting degree, became a CPA for a few years, went into internal accounting for a few years, then I went contracting for the last 5 years or so. So I've seen some interesting things. I kind of know what a lot of people look for. So hopefully that will translate to whatever job you're doing and whatever Excel spreadsheets you're looking at. I see a lot of terrible spreadsheets from people who've used it for many more years than I have. So I have a lot of little tips, little tricks just to get you going and to really use the app to the fullest potential. And I really like Excel. And I don't think it's actually going to go anywhere unless we all become programmers, which I'm working on.